Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome to another live. We are, well, enjoying the ride, that's for sure. And you guys know we're locked in, making trades, making moves. Figured why not come out and hang with everybody. Man, what a run, man, this has been, huh? This is nuts. Absolutely insane. Let me know if the music's okay, if it's too loud, or if you can even hear it. Sometimes I have some tech issues with this. I'm still working kinks out in the new studio. I'm going to have some stuff going on in the background eventually, but right now we're just kind of going to go through the markets. Obviously, take a look at SHIB. My, oh my, man, this has just been insane. I don't think anybody saw this coming. But yeah, let me know in the chat. Is it is a little too loud music-wise? Let me know. It's maybe a little loud on my end. I don't know if it's loud on your guys' end too. But welcome in. Who do we got here? Roberto's in the house. Good evening. Good evening. SHIB is doing great. Yeah, we're actually just starting a new weekly candle. New weekly candle right now on SHIB. That's what we're looking at right now. Looking bullish as hell. Trying to get back to where we were in March, guys. What's good? What's good? Temi, that's awesome. I don't have a lot of listeners on Twitch. It's funny. You know, I stream it on Twitch, but I don't get a lot of people listening in on Twitch. But I'm glad you found us on Twitch. Make sure you guys are, you know, if you're on Twitch, following YouTube, following me on X as well. Doing the damn thing on all the platforms. What's up, Jay? JD's in the house. What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? Thanks, Global. Appreciate it, man. Ada gang. Yeah, Cardano's looking great, isn't it? SHIBA has been running all day. Miss watching your videos. We're back, bro. We should be back. You should be back in the game now. It's a good time to be back. Linwood's in the house, my man. What's going on? Jay Rodriguez. Sounds perfect. Awesome. Ada, let's go. And Doge and SHIB. Hold on one sec, guys. All right, we're back. We're back. Yeah, we did. It's following the cycle perfectly. Music is good. Nice. Yo, yo, yo. What is happening, y'all? We got a ton of people in the chat. Let's go, man. Fire up. All right, we're going to take a look at the markets, of course. Got a lot of people filing in. It does feel good, doesn't it? Let's go, Joe. Anthony's in the house. What's up, bro? How about the crypto market? Nice, isn't it? Yeah, bro. It's just warming up, too. It's just warming up. Hey, you bet, Gary. Appreciate you rocking with us, man. Appreciate that, man. Dogelon Mars is doing awesome. Nice. We talked about that today, actually, on our X Space. What's good, Frank? How you doing, man? Cheers from Florida. Patty B, what's up? Get back where we were in 2019 before this administration took over. What's up, bro? You're making the old man money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We'd love to hear that. We'd love to hear that. Late night stream. Damn, dude. Yeah, you know what it is. You know what it is, Summers. It's bull season now, man. It's time to go in overdrive, man. We've been grinding. Don't get it twisted. We've been grinding throughout the bear market, but it's time now. Dogelon Mars, huh? making moves. Don't spam the chat though. Buying more SHIBA, they will all will go back down. Well, I mean, here's the thing. You're right, BNA. You're 100% right, bro. And you know what? There's going to probably be a point in this bull run where people are going to tell you that crypto, you know, is done, bear market starting, and it probably won't be that. It'll probably just be a dip. It'll probably just be a pullback. You know what I'm saying? But there will also be some moments, I think, where people will get overzealous and the bear market will be coming. This is why it's so crucial to have your own plan, have your own vision. You know what I'm saying? Because there's going to be a lot of noise out there. If you guys were here in 2021, you know this. There's going to be a lot of noise out there. That's why I was stressing today on the on our X space. Have your own plan. You can listen to a lot of people, but devise your own plan based on your portfolio, how much you're allocating, what your age is, what your goals are, right? And when it hits those certain points, take your damn profits. Don't hesitate. There's no time to think in a bull run. I'm telling you guys from living it in 2021, there's no time to think. So you got to do your thinking in the bear market and your planning and your preparation. You got to do all of that before we get to this point. Now, you still have time if you haven't done it, but you got to do it soon. Because when this stuff starts going parabolic, there's no time to think, read, respond. There's only time to act. And if you just stick to the game plan, stick to your script, you're in a good spot. What do you think crypto will go back down one more time? Then go, yeah, I mean, that's exactly what we were talking about. There's going to be dips in the market. There's going to be pullbacks. It's inevitable, right? But a lot of people will get scared out of the market during these dips. And if you're trading it, that's fine. But like for SHIB, like what is your price target? Like what is your first price target where you're going to take profits? I've got mine. You should have yours. You know what I'm saying? And so that way you take the guesswork and the emotions out of it. What you got, Zach? A burglar? Nah, Thomas. Michael's in the house. What's up, man? Crow to a buck. Is Dogelon Mars doing anything? Haven't checked. Let me take a quick look. It's up 32%. It's bouncing for sure. We're going to track this actually because I like this. I like this ticker. We'll track it. It should be way, way down from the all-time high. What was the all-time high? Man, there's some big buys coming in though, man. Look at this, a $19,000 buy on Dogelon Mars. Whew. That's a big buy on Dogelon Mars. We actually just talked about this on the X space, man. I'm glad we're tracking this again. And we're not missing it by too much. I mean, we've been sitting at 100 mil for a while. Couple green candles, though, the last 3 days, man. Last 3 days have been bullish. Dogelon Mars. Interesting. Are they still active on X? Let's see. We weren't even following them, bro. To Mars and beyond. Okay, they're just doing the meme stuff. I'm going to say, 20K buy just came in. They'll probably think it was me or something. It was not. But I'm going to take a look here, man. This might be a play. Let me see something. That's still another 76% to the top. 99% away from its all-time high. How many zeros? Yeah, I knew that chart wasn't doing it justice. 4 zeros. Look at yeah, see, look at that. Look at the all chart. Yeah. Very interesting. Very interesting. This could be a play. This is one of my targets right here, man. $100 billion market cap for SHIB. Let's go, Tyler. Let's go, bro. Here, you know what? I'm going to throw myself on top of these comments. Right? How the hell do I do that? There we go. There we go. There we go. Tyler, I love it, bro. If you're in on SUI, you got to be up, bro. You got to be up right now on SUI. Guys, Bitcoin's at 81,000. I mean, are we serious right now? Bitcoin's at $81,000. Is this real life? Bro. Yo, I just made this thread. If y'all could go over here and smash this and retweet it, I want this thing to go viral, bro. Because Dogecoin right now, I'm so bullish, man. I'm so bullish on Doge. Look at this. Dogecoin's number 6. It just passed USDC, guys, in market cap. It's passing stable coins, top tier stable coins. It's got a ways to get up here to BNB and Sol. Look at Solana. About to hit 100 billion. Solana might pass Tether. Seriously. And I think it's already crossed over $100 billion market cap today. Got up to 215. 260 is our all-time high. We're only 19% away from that on Sol. Yeah, man. Still a ways for it to go to all-time high, but it could be an interesting play. Jasmine, yeah, still down, but I think it could be an interesting play too. Doge been beautiful for months. Yeah. Naomi, I mean, we've been accumulating every time it went down below 10 cents in the bear market, we were all over it, bro. We were all over it. Smash that like, get this pumping. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I definitely want to get this tweet going viral though, bro. Trying to get a viral X post. I keep saying tweet. Viral X post. But I had this whole thesis as to why I think Dogecoin is going to go parabolic. So check it out. It's a thread on my X. If y'all are listening on X, do me a solid. Hit the live stream too while you're at it. Let people know we're here. Dogelon Mars is flying. Yeah, we just hit that. I might make a play. It's probably not a bad move right now. It's still way down. Because this doesn't tell the full story. Let's go to the weekly. I wonder if the week. Okay, that gives us. See, that doesn't give us all the data. April 2023. When did Dogelon? I think it was definitely out before then, wasn't it? It's climbing right now, man. Yeah, it was setting all-time highs July 2021, right? This could be an interesting play. 72% in the last week, pretty much doing what Dogecoin is doing. 82% in the last month. We're a little higher than where we were in July, and we're basically right here where if we break this resistance, we'll be back in May. I might have to FOMO in the Dogelon Mars. Guys, don't just do this because I'm doing this. Don't just go and don't shoot the messenger if it doesn't work. Don't just go do this, but I might have to ape into Dogelon Mars a little bit. It's still way down. Hell, it even popped up here in 2023. Man, this could be an interesting play. I think I'm going to do it. You don't get rich sitting on the sidelines. You know what I'm saying? Let me see where I got some ETH. I might make a play on this. More of a longer term, just kind of track it. And I mean, I think I'll set some profit taking spots here, but maybe not anytime really soon though. Yeah. You know what? I think we're going to take a small play at this. Small play at this. What's going on, everybody? I'm way behind in the chat now because now I'm trading live. So bear with me. How much do I think Jasmine's going to? Man, it's so tough to know. CBC shop, get a hoodie for the cold winter days coming up. Yeah. We'll peep that in a minute. Definitely get yourself some merch. Get yourself some merch for our crypto breakfast club. That's what we do all the time here. I'll show you guys. If you go to the crypto breakfast club, it's right in my profile here. It has its own X page. And then you click the website. Hold on one sec. I got to make this trade. Shoot, it better go through. Hold up real quick. Bear with me, guys. Trading. Yeah, right up here at the top, CBC store. Y'all can get some crypto breakfast club gear. You can get a hat. We got bags, we got mugs, we got hoodies. If you click shirts, we got the pullover hoodie. A couple different flavors. We got the classic unisex tee. Look at that. Got the crew neck. There you go. All right. We just made a play. Let's go. We're in Dogelon. Dogelon Mars. Whoever the hell put it in here, we're in. We're in. Dogelon Mars. This is the weekly, guys. And this chart is not the all chart. This was just back in March. I mean, we got up double from here in March. We just made a play. All right. See what happens. Ooh, Catalorian going crazy. We just had them on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Shout out to them. This is their weekly chart. Catalorian going nuts, up to 8 mil. Gotta have a strategy, Max. Guys, I am so far behind in comments, but just keep them rolling in. I'll try to get to as many as I can. But there are a lot of comments coming in, and I am lost because I started trading. I've heard about Samo. That's a OG on Solana, right? OG Solana meme coin. Yeah, Floki was going ham today. What's it doing? Let's check out the memes, actually. Look at Doge up 92% in the last week. That's crazy. It's crazy. Yo, what's up, man? I've been in crypto since 2020. I mean, I bought a little Bitcoin in 2017, but I don't like to say I was in crypto. I was invested, but I had no idea what I was doing. Like I got deep in the weeds though in 2020 and learned as much as I could, and still learning, bro, every single day. It never stops. And I don't claim to have it all figured out or be, you know, I'm not, you know, some TA wizard. I have some tools. I have some resources. I have people in my circle who know what they're doing. I've got my trading indicator, like that plug. I got my trading indicator that helps out, you know, the non-technical people. For real though, this thing does work. If you guys are interested, check it out. Link down below in the description. But yeah, man, I'm just grinding. SHIB's going parabolic. Yeah, I seen VeChain too, Michael. Yep. That Godius Maximus coin, I missed it, man. And I don't chase it, Matt. If I miss it, I don't chase it. I just let it go. Right? There's always going to be another one. Don't chase. Not funny. I mean, I'm not even telling you a coin or anything. Just don't chase. It's not worth it. You're going to get wrecked way more often chasing than get lucky and it still go up. I'm telling you, bro. Do not chase. Made those mistakes in 2021. SHIB's looking phenomenal here too, man. SHIB's looking phenomenal. Let's look at the daily. Yeah. Looking great. We have not been up here since May of 2024. This would actually be a really big spot to break for us here. We break this, we're heading up into the 3334 range, I would imagine. Basically breaking like kind of where we are right now, like 2.7, 2.8. Breaking 2.7, 2.8. We can make a nice run up from there, I think. I mean, right now we're a little hot on the RSI, so we're probably going to get some type of, I would imagine, some type of pullback similar to what we had here. You know, like back in late September, we got hot on the RSI, similar to where we are right now. Look, and people took profits. Oh, here, you can't see it because the comment. There you go. There's that RSI bar below the actual chart. So right here. This is like just a real easy technical indicator for you guys. And it works. I mean, it's just something you should always look at. When the RSI gets over 70, right, when it gets above that purple zone, the asset is usually overbought, meaning traders are probably going to step in and start to take some profits, right? So we're there right now on SHIB. Now, crypto's crazy. Things happen, right? But like, you know, buying a big position right here might not be the best move. Just kind of see what this daily does today. Maybe even look at it the next day. I think heading into this week, for me, I mean, before I would open up like a long on SHIB or anything like that. We do have that possibility though, if you guys are interested. Marjax, they're a sponsor of the show. They have leverage trading. Just put up their logo there at the top. There's a link down below if you guys want to check that out. You'll get a bunch of money off your first trade if you sign up using my link. You get like into a raffle to win up to 10,000 USDT. They got some cool perks, and there's no KYC. So I got some people rocking with me. I also got another exchange in there, BTCC. So if you guys want to check out that too, want to come trade with me, there's a couple different ways to do it over there. But man, SHIB's looking phenomenal. Let's see what other, you know, we've been talking about Bobo, man. Bobo on ETH, small cap, 100 mil, only 100 mil. But I do like Bobo. I do like Bobo. And a lot of smart people are talking about it. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room in crypto. You just have to have a pulse on what's going on, follow smart people, and be willing and able to make the play. You know, you got to be real with yourself. You got to have the capital. You got to have the ability to stomach a loss and follow the right people in the space and just make plays. And when you win big. You're going to lose. You're going to lose some trades. You're going to lose on some investments. It's just how it goes. but you can't let it break you. You know, you just got to keep going. Because one big win can set you free. Yo, appreciate everybody rocking with us. We got over 400 people on YouTube, I see. Epic. And we got like a ton of people over on X too. That's awesome. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that on YouTube. Hit the like button. Same thing on X. Help us get the word out. So I like Bobo a lot. Of course, Suka wants to run now. I've been waiting on Suka for a while. I still needed to come back a lot, but it's 5.5 mil. Mumu, I think I told you guys, I made a big play on Mumu not too long ago. It was actually, thankfully I did it, you know, right before the election. And I think we were at like 120 mil market cap. Something like that. We're almost at 150 right now. So I'll take it. Let's freaking go. What's your best pick? I mean, this chart looks phenomenal, by the way. This is Mumu's chart. This is the weekly. I'm on the weekly time frames. This is what I like to look at when I'm making long-term bets, long-term plays. You know, like I bought somewhere like right in here. We're not at an all-time high. We're like, you know, just getting close to the election being over. I'm like, this thing's been solid for a while. Great volume, great holder base. Market cap, I mean, solid, but not like overly crazy, where you could still get a 10x here if it gets to, you know, 1.5 billion, which sounds crazy, but not in 2024 heading into 2025. Look at all the Solana meme coins that have hit $1 billion. Bonk, Whiff, Popcat. I mean, we've got 3 right there that are, you know, here you go. Whiff, Bonk, Popcat. There's 3 right there that have hit over that mark already. So if you're looking in the Solana ecosystem, what's coming up? What's on the come up here? I mean, you know, Mew's just hitting $1 billion now. Goat has hit it, I think. You got Bohm, which is really solid still. Ponky, which is one of my favorite plays. These 2 right here, Ponky and Mumu, man. I made 2 big plays on these, on Solana. High conviction plays. Betting big on them. Not financial advice. I'm just telling you how some of the trades I'm making. Who knows? I could be a complete idiot and it could not pan out. But based on what I see with Solana right now and this whole meme coin craze, I'm trying to catch Mumu and Ponky before they get on this front page of CoinMarketCap. You know what I'm saying? Could be right, could be wrong. And BTC is about to set another all-time high. Unbelievable. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Let's get into the 1 hour here. Unbelievable, man. What a crazy Bitcoin run, man. And crypto run. Bitcoin 81.3. What was the all-time high? 81.6, 81.7. Where's Dog K? Oh man, it's selling off still. Come on, dog K. Let's see here. There's Brett, over $1 billion again. Yep. Look at that, man. That chart's setting up beautifully. That's the weekly on Brett. That looks phenomenal. This is my top meme coin holding right now, guys. Top meme coin holding. But let's talk, let's talk SHIB Doge at the top here a little bit too. So, Dogecoin now up 92% in the last 7 days. SHIB basically up 57% in the last 2. Cardano, let's not forget about Cardano. Bullish news coming out for ADA with Hoskinson potentially going to be having a seat at the table in Washington, D.C. as they try to carve out a new, path forward for crypto with Trump in. Man, that's exciting. And obviously the news that came out of the Cardano Summit and their relationship, newfound relationship with Bitcoin, man. That's a big, big deal for Cardano. And finally, look at this. This is how crazy crypto is, right? Because people were flooding Cardano like crazy for months and years, right? And then look at this. In, a few days, this thing could go up 78%. Like, that's crypto for you in a nutshell, right? Look at this. Back at 60 cents, basically. Look at that. Just a God candle right there. Like, that's one of those FU candles. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That's crazy. That's 5 days. This from the bottom here, 32 cents to 60 in 5 days. Yeah, Cardano looks very, very intriguing right now. And this is how you know it's getting interesting, right? Ethereum's back up over 3,200, outpacing Bitcoin in the last 7 days, 29% to 17%. That's a telltale sign that things are shifting in the right direction, right? Bitcoin dominance was 60%. Now it's 57.8. Now, will it last? I don't know. Maybe this will go back to Bitcoin and altcoins will sell back off for a little bit. It's a longer term game here, right? But right now, that's what we're seeing. And this is why we're seeing altcoins pump like crazy. It starts and ends with Ethereum still. It's the altcoin mover, majority of the time. Solana's getting very interesting though, right? But it's still almost a fourth the size. It's basically a fourth the size of Ethereum right now by market cap. Solid still. And I like Solana a lot. Look at Cardano down here at 20 billion. There's some room for this thing to grow. If Charles gets in as like some advisor or, on some kind of committee, this could be big. All right, what's Bitcoin doing here? 81.3. This is my target on SHIB, guys, if you're wondering. I want to see $100 billion market cap. This is where I'm going to begin to really take some profits from my holdings in 2021. And I think we can get there. We got to basically boom, boom, boom. We got to right here last cycle. We got to about a $51.9 billion market cap. It got to 4088. I'm pretty sure. Let's see if my memory serves. If not, it's close. Yeah. 8845. So we're about 70% away from that all-time high with SHIB. So that's about a move 239% to the upside to get there, to get back to all-time highs. So what I'm basically saying is I think we can double in price from our previous all-time high. That's the bet I'm making. That this is going to be my next profit taking point for SHIB. And not everything. I'm just going to have a good pulse on the market by then. But I profited a little bit in 2021, but then I opened up a bigger position in the bear market. So we'll see how it goes. Crow needs $1. I think it'll get there too. I know it stopped just shy last cycle. I think it'll get there. We need ETH pump. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, ETH's kind of stalled out a little bit, but we do need a continued pump out of ETH for sure. But I mean, this has been a great 7 days. Great growth here. This is what you want to see. Out of the second biggest crypto, you know, it's feeling the last 7 days as it should, right? Like Bitcoin's up 17%, Ethereum's up 29%. Like that's how it should be based on, you know, market caps, right? Like Ethereum should be able to outpace Bitcoin a little bit here with this overall great macro news. And it is. For a little while there, like it wasn't doing anything. It was sitting there like 2,500 forever. Let's see. I'm making a quick trade, guys. Sorry, hold on. Okay. Let's see what else is up. Oh, Whiff making a run. Holy shit. Whiff is making a run. So is Kronos. Look at Kronos up 85% this week. Let's sort by top gainers this week. Wow. Nairo, 104%. Then Doge at 90%. Kronos at 85%. Cardano, Goat. There's Sui. Wow, Sui's off and running again. Let's freaking go. Sui is off and running again. Let's go. My goodness. Yeah, Sui has been on a tear. Here, picture this. October 28th. So what is that? Not even 2 weeks ago? You could have got Sui for $1.60. On October 28th, you could have got Sui for $1.60. It's doubled since then. That's crazy. Pepe looks pretty good, huh? So Pepe actually started moving early. Like when everything was pumping, when Pepe was pumping because ETH was pumping, SHIB was quiet. But I mean, SHIB's definitely gained ground here. This is actually an interesting thing to look at. So the last 7 days, Pepe and SHIB, look at this. They're neck and neck. They've both moved up 56%. That's what you want to see out of the large ERC20 cryptos, right? If Ethereum's pumping, like it's double, right? It's double than what Ethereum is pumped. That's what you want, almost. Ethereum's pumped 29% in the last week. Like you want to see close to 60% out of Pepe and SHIB, and you're getting that, right? This is how you kind of have to look at it logistically. Okay, Ethereum's the layer one. What are the top projects on the layer, on the chain? So if you think Ethereum's going to break out 15, 20%, okay, then take a bet on SHIB and you want it to go up, 30 to 40%. No, so Nairo now is well over $1 billion. That was an insane story, man. Like both Nairos, nobody knew which one was the real one. I invested in the other one, did well on it, still own a little bit. And then I just missed the boat completely on this one. But sometimes it happens in crypto. Like that's how it goes. You know, what I didn't do is go chase this though. Like, even though it's gone up a little bit, you know, that could have worked, but more often than not, it doesn't. But it just happened to be a perfect environment. Then Trump gets in and Nairo just got listed on Binance. So but yeah, Doge looks phenomenal. The dog tokens, man, they're back. Nairo, Doge, SHIB, whiff. Here we go. Bonk. Ondo's back at 90 cents, up 43% in the last 7 days. Solid. That's why we were stacking Ondo. I still really like Ondo a lot. There's your all chart on Ondo. This is like a this is an interesting play because it's in a hot narrative in RWAs, right? That's why I'm making a decent sized play on this. Not financial advice. We'll see. But it's a hot narrative, and narratives sell. In the bull runs, narratives sell, right? The flavor of the month, right? Like speculate on the new thing. That happens a lot in bull runs. I mean, look at the metaverse back in 2021, right? Gaming was kind of like that in 2021. I think it's going to have another big run, but this one even more real in 2024, 2025. But Ondo, brand new RWA, hot narrative, supposedly a $11 trillion asset class at some point in and of itself, just RWA. And Ondo's partnered up with BlackRock and JP Morgan. So it's like, to me, it's like, okay. You know what I mean? We'll make a play. It's already in the top 100. It hasn't seen a bull run, though. People are going to know and understand this narrative even better as more people come into the space. And, you know, there's a lot of good RWA plays, too. Here you go. So, I mean, yeah, you got AVAX, you got Chainlink up top with RWA, you got VeChain. These are your top market cap players in the RWA space. Maker, then Ondo. So, I mean, they're kind of, to me, right in that sweet spot that I think there could be a ton of upside here. And the thing of it is, some of it's real and some of it's speculation. Like, they're actually doing real things too. It's not just like you're fully speculating on a meme coin here, right? It's a different type of investment for sure. You're betting on the RWA narrative to sell. If it does, this is going to sell because they're tied to BlackRock. They're tied to JP Morgan. You know what I mean? And Avalanche Chainlink, all these will do well. VeChain. VeChain's another one to watch. Yeah, Floki looks good. Somebody was talking about Floki earlier. Floki looks good. What's going on, man? Nice to see stocks start to climb. Yeah, for sure. Tesla did amazing a couple of days ago. Tesla looks really good right now. I was looking at Coinbase's stock the other day. Look at Coinbase last month. They're up 65%. That's nice. We'll take that all day. Year to date, 72%. Last year, 191%. Look at that. You could have got it for $33 beginning of 2023 in the middle of the bear market, when nobody wanted to buy anything. End of 2022. Look at this. You could have bought Coinbase stock at $35. Nice play. I was DCAing, you know, into Coinbase and some of the mining stocks. I probably should have went a little harder. Robinhood's another interesting play. Look at this, 19% the last month, but 88 the last 6, 146 the last year to date. Look at this, last year, 271%. Yeah. It's nice. Looks like it wants to make a V-shaped recovery. Makes sense. I mean, crypto's hot again. Dogecoin's up. A lot of people are buying it on Robinhood. What are your favorite crypto pre-sales? That Pepe Unchained one was pretty interesting right now. But I have a bunch of like private investments. They have not done well, except a few. But current pre-sales, I don't have a lot of them on my radar right now. I missed it, man. Moodang, I missed it. I just completely missed it. And I don't chase, you know? What if I miss it, it's gone. That's like one of my, you got to have, that's the one thing with crypto investing and trading, I think in general, any kind of investing. You got to have certain rules in place and stick to those rules. You got to have a few. You got to have a few like golden rules, you know? Oh, Bitcoin's selling. A little bit. So 81.7 was the high. Do we see 82,000? Yeah, I know, right? Welcome back, crypto world. It does feel like that. It does feel like slowly but surely a lot of people are slowly coming back in. We never left. I know a lot of people in this room never left either. If I'm quiet, guys, I'm just making a couple of trades and I'm coming right back, I promise. Oh, yeah. Crypto Breakfast Club merch. This DGen coin is pretty decent, actually. I didn't invest into it yet, but it is starting to show that it might want to reverse. If it breaks this, look out. 131 mil market cap. Who knows? I haven't made a play on this, but I'm watching it. Kendu. What's Kendu doing? Kendu might be moving a little bit. There's the, I'm looking on weeklies tonight. Sometimes I like to look at weeklies just because zoom out, you know, especially if they're cryptos that have been around a little bit longer. Looking on the weekly gives you an idea. Like, this is actually a big moment here for Kendu. If it can break out of this channel, and like, that's what I've been saying, getting over 60 mil right now for Kendu, then I might look at taking a position. Right now, it has not shown the strength to get over 60, get back to 60 mil and stay above it. It's tried multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's tried like 4 or 5 times. But I'm watching it. Basically just waiting to see 6 on there, and then I'm going to start looking at it. Azumi, one of our sponsors, just under a mil. Look at that weekly chart, though. Just under a mil market cap. It's at all-time highs yesterday. Or, I mean, last week. Told you guys about Mumu. Made a play on this. Long-term play. I still hold a bag of this Pepe. Is it moving? The Chinese Pepe? It's still sitting on support, right? Like, I bought a bag somewhere down in here. Like, I'm probably even on it after the dip. Still good volume, good holders. I'm totally out of Myro, but it's still hanging in there. 116 mil. I want to see the weekly actually on this. Actually, that doesn't look bad at all. So, I mean, this thing got to like 450 mil at the peak, Myro. 116 mil right now. I'm still watching it. This might be, this again, like, this is my sweet spot, this $100 million range, or a little bit below, that's been around for a while, or that's already exploded once, like well over that, you know what I mean? And it's been around for a little bit. Genu, one of our sponsors, look at this, Genu. Cracking 300K. Let's go. I think I saw him in the chat. There he is. Let's go. That's the Genu weekly, guys. 300K market cap. Honky, one of my favorites. What are we doing here? All right. Back up over 50 cents. Look at this chart, though, guys. Look at the Ponky weekly chart, man. Are you kidding me right now? This thing's on a stairway to heaven. Look at this. That's the stairway to heaven pattern right there. Stairway to heaven pattern right there. Look at that. I hope so, at least. Let's see. Trump meme coins dumped. This is actually a good utility AI play. I privately invested in this company. It actually went pretty well. This is their chart since their launch. They've been out since April. Did well on this, and I still hold a, good portion. It's backed by Solana. Not financial advice here, guys, by the way, but AI infrastructure protocol on Solana, backed by Solana. It's pretty interesting, actually. The AI architecture protocol on Solana, the symbiotic AI app ecosystem dedicated to over 1 million plus Solana users. So, build, scale, and adopt AI with TARS today. Yeah, TARS AI, TAI. It's the weekly. I do like this one in the AI sector. Under 100 mil, but like near that sweet spot. You got to come up with that, man, like on your own, because I don't know, you got to look at the other cryptos you hold, what your plans are, like what's your overall goal this cycle? Do you have those written down? Do you have it laid out? That's so crucial, having a plan going in. So then from there, go to each crypto and develop your profit taking strategy that aligns with like your overall plan for the cycle. What do you think about Wojak? That was that one that did well back in April 2023, right? Like last year. I'm kind of off all of those. I don't know. They might do well, but I think there's other, there's faster horses. Oh, that one is interesting because that is the biggest meme coin on Chronos. So I do like that. I do like that play. If Chronos pumps, call is going to pump. Simple as that. Crow with knife, 50 mil. I'm going to watch this one actually. This might be interesting. This is the weekly. Okay. This is setting up actually really nice. See how it benefits you so much from looking at the weekly chart sometimes too, and not like the daily or even hourly or whatever. If you're really looking at something as like more long-term, looking at the weekly, because it gives you a snapshot, right? Like came out in March. Okay, here's what's happened. We've been on a strong reversal since mid-October, right? Like, what are your thoughts about Dogecoin? Oh man, we covered it earlier. I love it, man. Well, I made this thread earlier on X. Right here. Call me effing crazy, but Doge is going to blow past $1. Here's why Dogecoin has crazy potential. Elon Musk, this dude loves Dogecoin, has more influence than anyone in the entire world. Donald Trump is president, and Elon helped him get there. An administration that wants to see crypto expand and evolve will be amazing for this top 10 crypto. Doge is the retailer's Bitcoin. The narrative is simple. And I truly think this. If you miss Bitcoin, don't miss Dogecoin. So here's what I mean by this. You're going to have so many retail investors, either A, coming back into the market for a second time, like they were here, they left, and now they're deciding to come back. There's going to be a lot of those people, in my opinion. And there's also going to be people coming in for the first time. We know we're in a crypto-friendly environment. We know we're aligning with the cyclical nature of Bitcoin and crypto right now perfectly. So, yeah, I mean, Doge is perfectly situated. I mean, so here's the other thing. When retail comes back fully, they're going to flock to household brand names. There's no bigger brand in the altcoin market right now than Dogecoin. I truly like, if you walk down the street and you were like, you showed somebody an Ethereum logo or a Dogecoin logo, I think more people would be able to say Dogecoin or Doge than Ethereum when looking at them both. Especially if you're on a college campus or around a bunch of, people in their mid-20s or even 30s. No disrespect to the crypto OGs out there that are, in their 40s, 50s. More power to you, actually. That's freaking awesome. No, I'm definitely not leaving SHIB out at all, man. This is not a Doge versus SHIB thing. This is just me fundamentally breaking down why Dogecoin is really, really in a good position. And a lot of this stuff, not so much the Elon and Trump stuff, but like this narrative kind of applies. If you miss Bitcoin, don't miss Shiba Inu. This applies. When retail comes back fully, they're going to flock to household brand names. Doge and SHIB are those brand names. Like even there's another good example. If you put the Shiba Inu logo up and the Ethereum logo, more people would probably have recognized or even know the name of SHIB over Ethereum, right? There should be utility also with Dogecoin on X, I think. And remember that Doge is fundamentally and technologically sound, being a proof of work crypto. Now, this point, I should have added this to the actual post. This is what I'm really saying here is this is going to be much more attractive to institutional money. because it's proof of work, because it's very similarly structured to Bitcoin from a fundamental and technological standpoint. It's proof of work. It's virtually like another Bitcoin, really. There are some differences, of course, too, but fundamentally they're similar. So, and it's proof of work. I could see institutions, if not already, making plays here at this. So, yeah, I love Dogecoin here in this cycle, man, a lot. Famous last words. I wish I would have bought more of it. I mean, but I have been stacking a good amount, and I think there might be still time, but I've been stacking a good amount of Doge as much as I can. I've been tracking this dude, man. This dude's got huge open positions. He does options. Options scare me, man. I'll do them a little bit here and there, and even leverage trading, I do it a little bit here and there. I just don't go overboard with it. I'd rather invest throughout the cycle. I feel like I'm better that way. I will trade a little bit on margin and just obviously short-term swing trade using, my XT algo tools, or, whether it's a meme coin or something I just want to trade over a couple weeks or something. But yeah, call looks really good. Crow with knife. 34, bro. SHIB's the future. The Simpsons already predicted it. Yeah, right. How high can Doge go this cycle? Man, I really think Doge can go past $1. I mean, who knows? I mean, who really knows? I mean, it's already at 30 cents, $42 billion market cap. It's going to start getting attention now. Like, look at this, man. 165% the last month. Insane. 284% the last year on Doge. There's your all chart. I mean, yeah, I mean, that looks extremely bullish. I don't know how else to say that. Considering like that, I don't think people have really threw their money in the pot yet on Doge. Like, a lot of that's probably more institution. I mean, there's definitely some retail, but I think there's a lot of institutional money coming in right here. Like, just these last few days, smart money accumulating now. I mean, would it be shocking to see Dogecoin at $2+ ? I don't think so at all. I mean, if we go to, let me see something. What would it even have to do? Get to just shy of a $300 billion market cap, 588% move. Like, it could happen, I think. It would basically be almost doubling its all-time high, too. I mean, a little bit more, but it's kind of a perfect storm for crypto and for particular like Bitcoin, things like Dogecoin, like these household names. So Ethereum. The thing with Ethereum, though, man, they've got really big competition now with Solana. Solana is stealing some of Ethereum's thunder, for sure. There's no doubt about it. It's growing fast. Let me see. Is Ethereum or Solana up more the last 7 days? Let's see. There's Brett. There's Solana. Oh, Ethereum and Solana about the same. Both up about 28, 29%. Interesting. Yo, shout out to everybody listening on X. Let's see. If you guys haven't shared the shared the spot. Definitely do that if you can. That'd be cool. Just checking on a couple things here, guys. Hold on one sec. Man, Sui is running. Sui the last week, 71%. There it is. Look at that. 71%. Superverse is climbing too, man. This play is almost in the top 100. It's ranked 108. But look at Superverse. Last year up 1,400%. There's your zoomed out chart. This is a gaming play though, guys. All-time high, excuse me, 473. 68% still away from it. Gaming is going to be a hot narrative. I'm glad I made a play on this. Like Superverse. Big Time is another one, even smaller market cap. Let's see here. Ranked 243. 65% in the last month. Still way down from all-time highs. 80%. Yeah. I like both of these. Big Time and Superverse in the gaming spot. Not financial advice. I'm personally invested in both of them, though. I'll take a little bit at $1. I'll take a little bit at $1. I'll probably take about 40-50%. I'd have to go back and look. But there's definitely some profit-taking points there. I mean, you can always buy it back. You know, there's going to be some sell-offs too. So, and that $1 is going to be like psychological. $1 Doge. So I'll take a little bit there and then ride it out for a bit there. Cause I mean, then you're in uncharted waters. You're already setting all-time highs. Then create a plan from there. Once I take those profits, getting a pulse on the market, where are we at in the cycle, at least as best as we can get to, right? But I'm always planning that first move. Can SHIB get its all-time high? I think so. What's your strategy with Doge? Oh, just answered that. Even though we're bull market now, we still are crazy. 20% bad days, they will still happen. 100%. Yeah, there will be dips within the bull cycle for sure. $100 billion market cap. Yes, that's what I like, Frenchie, for SHIB. Yeah, that's where I'm at for me. I like those like whole round numbers, you know, like psychological numbers. And traders do too, like investors do too, like other people do too. Do you think SHIB can lose another 0? I hope so. SHIB's at 265. Let's take a look at the SHIB chart here. Maybe it's that time of the season now to just start leaving my live stream on. Just leave the chart up on SHIB. Just let it go. All right, this is the SHIB 10-minute chart. So we dumped pretty hard earlier today, relatively, to the 2-3. Still on a pretty nice uptrend. I mean, just on the 10-minute chart here, XTalgo is working on a momentum up right now. Not too much gain there on the 10-minute, but look at this. If you go out to, I like the 4-hour. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Four hours a good representation. There you go. Last 5 days up 46% on the momentum up trading indicator. XT algo flashed 46% move in the last 5 days. Not bad. And this is the kind of tool you can use when you get XT algo. It embeds right into TradingView, just like I'm using it. So it's exactly what you see. This is an indicator that you get access to, and I walk you through how to set it up, and you set up your alerts, and you'll be able to get these indicators sent right to your phone wherever you are on the go. Now, keep in mind, nothing's ever 100%. If something was 100%, I'd be a multi-billionaire. But the tool works, right? And there's a ton of these out there. I just came in at a much cheaper price than a lot of the big competitors out there. And the person I went to, he was the best of the best. So these prices are slashed. Check it out. Link down below. SHIB looks good though. Looks really good. Yeah, this TARS AI though, man, we were looking at that earlier. It's very interesting. Because there's going to be some AI. What happened there? There's going to be, sub $100 million market cap AI plays right now that are going to do some really, really nice things, I think. Just like there's some meme coins that are in that range too. The discount code is in the description. Discount code X on XTAlgo, 21% off all packages. And it's a 30-day money-back guarantee too. So if you don't like the product, you think I'm bullshitting you or whatever, for whatever reason, you didn't use it, within 30 days, full refund, no questions asked. So these prices are slashed from 47 to 37, 125 to 90, 499 to 399 on the yearly, $400. So this has helped me a ton, guys. I'm just going to tell you guys, and everybody who uses XT Algos does the same thing. Thanks for all the alpha, brother. 100%, man. Bad idea in K9. Yeah, I got to wait for K9 to come back. I got a ways to wait. I love their tech, but I got wrecked on that chart. But I do like what they're doing with liquid staking. I'm glad, man. It means the Wi-Fi is working good. On SHIB, man, who knows? I mean, keep in mind, back in March, we were yeah, I mean, we haven't been up here since like May. But I think if we break out of this 2.7 range and sustain it, 3.3, I think we can get to the 3.3 level before we, see what happens from there. Pro is looking really good. Yeah, it's the 12 hour. Haven't been up here in a while. April. Jeez. Crazy. I own some Pro. little bit less than this, like 11 cents. Had a bunch at 6 cents. And then I bought a little bit more. Dollar cost averaged up a little bit, but take it. I do like the call play, though. This could be interesting. It might be an interesting spot here to take a play on call. We're kind of seeing this is going to be the major meme point. Good volume, good holder base. I mean, anything can happen, but looks like it has pretty good potential. Bitcoin new all-time high again? Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's happening. Holy shit. Bitcoin all-time high. Unbelievable. What's up, James? Hope you guys are all subscribed. If you're not, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Just kidding. Or not. Exciting times, 100%. Pro gets to $1. I think so. Almost no doubt. All right, let's look at DGen, please. Am I up on Elon yet? There's some money coming in. The 1 hour. Oh, yeah. This is basically last week. About 86% move on Dogelon Mars in the last week, give or take. Pretty nice. We made a play, 130 mil. It's still way down from its all-time high. So we got over $1 billion then, right? Wait, hold on. Where did Dogelon Mars talk about that? Does it show market cap? What is that? 403. All right, here, there's an easy way to do this. Where's my into the crypto version? Dogelon Mars. Pricing, there we go. Holy shit. So Dogelon Mars got to a $17.9 billion market cap last cycle? Wait, what? I guess it might have. Did it? Can somebody confirm this? That's the price that is on crypto or market cap, right? 403263. 403263. So this thing was a $17.9 billion market cap. It's 36x away from all-time highs and 130 mil market cap. I mean, that's intriguing to me. Makes me want to put it. Not financial. I'm an idiot. I'm a degenerate. Not listening to say financial things. Just an idiot. We're all idiots. Trying to figure this out. So yeah, that's what you're really doing is like you're just trying to take educated, good bets based on intel and information that you can find in people that you listen to. That's it. I mean, $130 million. Well, the supply that they give, that's actually a good question. What's the supply on CMC? Circulating supply. Okay, circulating. 549 trillion circulating. But over on here, where do they have it? 549. Okay, they have the same number here. Oh, token supply, 1 quadrillion. At least that's what into the crypto. That's their total supply. Let's go, though. I want to see this thing run. It's funny. I was going back and forth on Dogelon because I liked it a little bit, then I didn't. I liked it a little bit, then I didn't. And then as I'm working through it tonight with you guys, it makes a lot of sense. In the environment we're in now. So I'm gonna play. Nothing crazy yet, but Bitcoin's taking a little bit of a dip after setting new all-time high. We basically got to 81, looks like 81,884, somewhere in there. 81,884. Almost got to 82K. Just setting all-time highs like 10 minutes ago. Hope y'all are subscribed, right? You guys are definitely subscribed to the channel. Yeah, we're getting some new people subscribing. Okay, I see you. I see you. Today's been a good day for new subscribers, guys. We've gotten like 250 new subscribers today. So welcome to the channel. Maybe you guys are listening to this right now. Welcome in. What is it? DJ hour, Zach, love it. Yes, sir. I'm in. So I don't know if you heard me, but yeah, 250 new subscribers to the YouTube channel. So shout out to anybody who's new to the channel watching this stream. What's up? If you're over on X and you're not yet following, hit us up over there. We're doing the Crypto Breakfast Club every Monday through Friday, guys, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. It's been awesome. It's been a ton of fun. Look at Parabolic Paul, man. This guy's a Dogelon Mars Maxi. He's covering it now on his stream. Check it out. Give him a follow, gang. Let's go. Bring the Elon people over here. Bro, ticker symbol Elon. I'm going to make this post. What did we say? I mean, if it gets back to all-time highs, this means it would 119x. No, wait, hold on. 136x. Is this legit? I'm gonna put this and be like, can anybody confirm this? Why do I feel like that's off? Did it really get that high? I'm going to say, according to, what's this called again? The coin perspective. Hopefully they have an X. Wonder if they have an X account. Yeah, there they are. Picker like Elon and having skyrocketed already this last cycle, and having already skyrocketed last cycle. A ticker like Elon and having already skyrocketed last cycle, having already skyrocketed. This could have potential to really hurt. Okay. That took me way too long to make that post. Sleeper for sure. I think so. It might not go to 136x, but Bitcoin's selling off a little bit here still. Yeah, man. I mean, 130 million market cap. Yeah. I mean, it's interesting for sure. We'll see what happens. Calvin, SHIB is going to run off the table tomorrow. You think so? I mean, it's already went. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked, especially if Ethereum rips tomorrow at market open. I mean, it is start to a new week, market open. I mean, we could rip. We could rip. I mean, this weekend pump has been crazy, really. Yo, guys, if you haven't hit the like button yet on YouTube, definitely do so. Drop a comment, whether you're on X or YouTube. We're streaming on both platforms and on Twitch. Appreciate everybody rocking with us, man. This is cool. Little late night stream. At this point, man, at this point in the market, you gotta be locked in, right? You gotta have a good pulse. You gotta do something every day in this market. Stacks is moving too. We didn't really even talk about Caspa, but Caspa's performed really well. Up almost 40% the last week. Brett up 32%. I'm going to hang with you guys for a few, but I'm going to go grab some water. I'll be right back. Hold it down, everybody. Hold it down. Here, I'll give you guys bubbles while I'm be gone for less than 3 minutes. All right, we're back. SHIB's all-time high is 4088. So right there. That's SHIB's all-time high. Calvin, that is crazy, but I don't think it's listed on major exchanges yet. Is it listed on all of them? And I don't know if they have burns. Yeah, see, they're not even listed on... They're on crypto.com. I remember they got on crypto.com real early. It was kind of like out of the blue, too. It was kind of crazy. But yeah, they're not listed on Binance yet. I'm not saying it can do the 130x thing again. But I mean, at this price level, it's interesting. I like it. I don't even have my plan yet in it. I just kind of dipped my toes in. But I made a play on it. I mean, hell, I got in at 2.0 flat. It's already up to 2.355. And I mean, it could double if it just gets back to March levels. And that was like the 2-week bull run. That was just like whatever. So, I mean, if we get into anything like, you know, crazy here, I think there's a chance you can get, you know, 10x out of this for sure. I mean, look at these buys coming in too. Look at these. These are massive buys. This is actually really interesting. 10K buys or 20K buy, 10K buy, 20K buy, 10K buy, 3K, 3K. Same wallet. 10K, 15K, 6K, 17K, 5K. Like, follow the money. Something's happening. Who knows? 100%. It is down. I don't know if they have burns. Does anybody know if Dogelon has burns? And somebody could correct me on this. I mean, this is what they have, though. Sorry, I wasn't even talking in the mic. Bitcoin 81.6. Got to 81.89. Got close to 82. Dogelon market cap at all-time high was only 52 mil. So it's setting all-time highs right now? That doesn't make sense. Because the market cap right here is 130 mil. $130 million. $23 million in volume. That's interesting. That's a lot of volume coming in. Yeah, the circulating supply, the total supply is 1 quad. I mean, that's a shit ton. What I don't know is, did they release? Is this a Solana coin now? Wait a minute. Solana name service. That's interesting. There's Mumu. Wait a minute, though. Hold on. We should be... So is it... It's not a Solana coin. What the hell? Why is that there? Okay, never mind. Yeah, I mean... The supply, I think, was definitely less, for sure. The all-time high market cap for Dogelon was around 1.12 billion. Oh, 1.15 billion. Okay, so it just crossed over. So we're about 10x. Is that what it says here? See, this all-time high says July 31st, 2021. And I put this price in. Oh, but it's a different supply. They added tokens. So that's what I don't know. That's what happened. Somebody will probably say it on my tweet. Yeah, what I don't know is how many more tokens they added to circulation. That's a good point. I still like it. I still like the trade, even with the whole supply thing. I still like the trade. I haven't owned it for a while, but I ain't gonna play. Okay. How about Solana, man? Crazy. SHIB's at 2.6. I want to see us break 2.7 and hold it. Break 2.7 and hold it. Come on, SHIB. Pull up SHIB on here. Come on, SHIB. Trying to break back up. Trying to break back up here in the 5-minute. It got up to the 2.7, just couldn't hold it. Same thing, got up here a couple different times, couldn't hold it 3 different times. Yeah, it keeps getting rejected at the 2.7. This is the 5-minute chart. See, got to get above this and break it for the daily run to continue, I think. And if we do, though, when you zoom out, that's actually, it's actually nice on the daily, because you can see if you do break out of there, there's not much more resistance, right? That's how we ran all the way up, you know, right here into the mid 4s in March in like 2 weeks. I like drift. Drift isn't bad. Oh, one that I've been on, guys. I'll give you guys this one. I don't think this is going to like 100x or anything, but it's a real utility play. It's up 40%. I got to actually put it on my favorites. I own this one. Talked about it quite a bit too. When it was way down. So they had a private sale. This is a legit crypto. I'll tell you about it in a minute. Not affiliated in any way. Just found it through listening to people on a space and decided to make a play on it and invest in it. And I'm up on it pretty nice now. I was buying, you know, down in here, less than 20 cents, 16, 17 cents. Now it's up to 56 cents, up 33% today. So they had a private sale. It's a really good project, but all the private sellers dumped. This thing wicked up to 114. You know, they came out to the market pretty much right around here. This is why it's so important. They're back to like where they were when the project launched. But I was buying down here because some of the spaces I was listening to. So what this project is, first and only permissionless communication layer on Solana and Bitcoin. First DApp, Apollo by Zeus, BTC staking, earning yield from Solana effortlessly. Nobody else is really doing this. So the Zeus network, you guys can see, I mean, they got great following. Like the Solana ecosystem, like Zeus is well known. Heard about it in a space, made a play, and like this is one of those utility Solana plays that I like. So almost up 3x on this, up about 3x on this right now, on this trade that we opened up, you know, back in here in the dog days of summer, man. This is why you got to stay locked in. Like during these months, nobody cares. Summertime, they're distracted. You find diamonds in the rough, like you find gems like this by grinding and, you know, getting into spaces, meeting people. You know what I mean? Man, it seems like everything is running. Wow, 100%. Dogelon Mars, the underdoge. Nice. SHIBA INU. Or Disky. Is S Doge still around? What's S Doge? I don't remember that. Chronos coin, good or no? I like Chronos. Oh, SHIB Doge. Is that what you're talking? SHIB Doge. Yeah, it looks like they still are around. $3.5 million market cap. I want to see their chart, actually. Yeah, I know they relaunched. I mean, they are up a little bit in the last 3 days. Last week or so. Way down still. The volume's just terrible, though. Only 3K. I wouldn't touch that. That's the thing in crypto, guys. Most of this stuff does not last. Oops. I want to just look at straight. Oops. Doge. There we go. Now, why is it the wrap Bitcoin? Or let's do this. Oh, Doge is making another run, huh? Doge is making another run. Another all-time high. I mean, for today. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute. No, it's been above. Okay. It was above 30, but it's making a run. Dip back down to like 28 and some change. Frickin' Dogecoin, man. This thing is back. Bullish right now, man, on Doge. There's the 10-minute, man. This looks phenomenal. And the RSI is actually not that hot on it right now. Dogecoin is bullish. Bullish. It is a thing, though. When Dogecoin moves, meme coins tend to move too. Yeah, man. I mean, I traded it last bull cycle back in 2020, 2021. Didn't hold it, but I started buying back at like 9 cents, 10 cents, just accumulating it, taking profits from like Solana meme coin plays, putting it back into Doge. Just a less risky play that I knew was eventually going to do well. And now it feels like, I mean, kind of luckily, like this is the perfect storm, right? Like you've got Trump back in office. You've got Elon at the helm. I mean, you've got a pro-crypto, president now who's probably going to put together a panel or some type of committee. Who knows? Maybe Elon's even on there. Who knows? He should give him like a new technology, position. Something where he can like weigh in on crypto, AI, robotics, you know what I mean? All of that. Space travel. The future of humans, basically. Give him some type of role with that. Yeah, but Dogecoin, man, looks phenomenal. Yeah, check out Zeus, though, if you guys haven't already, man. This is an interesting, like, real utility play, Solana play. Yeah, here it is. I put it on my list now. It's up a lot today, 35%. Apollo, FTW making some moves. Yeah, can SHIB break out of this mark like this? We're just going to draw a line, make it all fancy. Right there. That's what we're looking at SHIB. If we can break that line, that's what I'm saying, like back into the mid threes, I think we go. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some type of consolidation, little pullback here after this green candle. I mean, that's just insane, right? Bad ideas pumping. Nice pump too. Haven't been here since August. Nice. Bad ideas pumping. That's an interesting AI play. Just did an interview with them with their AI robot, Sarah. Kind of wild. I'm so wrecked on K9. So wrecked. But we'll have to wait. That looks like a straight pump and dump coin, but it's actually like real good utility, but yeah, it doesn't look great. Doge selling a little bit. Big pullback Monday through Wednesday coming, 20%. That's my guess. Better sell now. We are starting the downward now. I mean, maybe. It's so hard to tell right now. This is why you just have to have your plan in place already with your assets. Like, I'm not panicking here. I took a little bit off the table in some of the stuff that's like not more longer term in this cycle, but like, I mean, Bitcoin's still up though, man. I mean, in the last hour, last 24, last 7 days. But I mean, we are due for some type of pullback. Wouldn't be shocked. Overall, yes, I agree. Like long term, yeah. Doge was 10 cents a month ago, and Miles G said it was a buying point. Like, wow. Yeah. 100%. I mean, I think everybody was saying it's a buying point at 10 cents. I was buying it. I mean, it's not going to go away. And now it's the perfect storm. Perfect storm for Doge. Kronos wants to go still. Pulling back a little bit. Man. Appreciate all the new subscribers too. I see you guys. Appreciate that. A lot of new people subscribing. I'm suspecting a lot of new people coming into crypto. So if it's your first time in crypto, welcome. Let me bring myself back up in here. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, welcome. Glad you found us. $2,000 views on X. Nice. Ethereum is back. You know what that means. I tweeted this earlier. Finally, man. Finally, SHIB's making moves. It was delayed. It's definitely a delayed reaction. XT Algo, I'm stuck, buddy. We've got an email. We've got an email that you can use. If you scroll down to the bottom of the website, go to contact us. It's support@xtalgo.com. If you have any questions, any issues whatsoever, it's support@xtalgo.com. I just put it in the chat too. And I've got people there ready to help you. Man, people are rating this, huh? Let's go. Dogelon Mars community coming out strong. I like that, Calvin. Appreciate that, man. Got a crash, and thanks. See you, Chester. Jasmine is not going up the way like before. Not right now. What's PAL AI doing here? There it is. 236 mil. I've been looking at PAL, maybe thinking of making a play. Last 7 days, oh, it's down a little bit from the last month. I kind of like that. Yeah, doesn't look bad there. I do like PAL. This isn't like a 100x play or anything. Oh wait, my screen's too. There we go. There you go. PAL AI. I do like that. Arcam looks pretty damn good too. It's a good looking chart. 42% from its all-time high. AI is going to have another run. Where's Injective? Let me see the alt chart on Injective. Oh yeah. Starting to come back nicely. I've got some Injective and I've got some Render. Render chart looks nice. Similarly, like they're both about 50% from their all-time high, 56% on Render. ASI. Oh yeah, same thing, about 56% from all-time high. Isn't that crazy? BITUNIX or TAL, man. This thing looks strong. 26% from all-time high, but this is a big player. 4 billion market cap. I mean, I like this as a potential 5x. I will say that. A lot of those top AI plays, 4 or 5x's. I mean, and with upside from there. I still love SUI here, even though it's been parabolic here, but look at that chart. See ya. $9+ billion. I don't think so. Hopefully not. Trump said that he would not put one in if he got reelected. Yes, Dogelon Mars. Just bought more Elon. I mean, who knows what's going to happen? I don't want everybody to... I'm just an idiot on YouTube, but I do like the play. I know it's got a big supply. This is Dogelon Mars. XT Algo was all over it. Should have my alert set. Doge price. Let's take a look. Oh, that's the 12-hour. I've heard about Squidgrow before. Yeah, I've met him. Is it a Polygon token? 19 mil. I don't think this is the right one, is it? This is the actual, yeah, this is the page. Let me go to their website here. We'll put it on the favorite. They have a relaunch or something. I've never been invested in this one. Volume's pretty decent though. Thanks for the super chat. Dogelon Mars, man. Waking up. Again, even if it just gets back to where we were in March, that's a double up from where we just entered at 2-0 flat. We'll see. I like Turbo. Oh, I still have Be Right Back up here. I will put that there. That's our brand on X, Crypto Breakfast Club. If you guys don't follow this page, make sure you guys do. We do this every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. We do an X space every single Monday through Friday. So if you guys are just on YouTube, you don't know about our X space that we do, we'll be live tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We live stream it too, so you can come back to this stream or, excuse me, listen right on X. Making a play on Dogelon Mars. Bullish news on Cardano, man, with Bitcoin OS, with Charles maybe being on the front lines of US policy. It's interesting. Very interesting. Kronos, man, back at 14 cents. Making moves. Never been invested in it, but I've never invested in Tonic, but I know it has a really strong community. It's one of those top plays, utility plays on Kronos, but I'd rather have Caw, man. I was looking at that Caw chart earlier. I mean, I don't know what Tectonic's market cap is though either, but 50 mil, I like where this is at. If you go into the weekly, it's a good looking weekly chart on Caw. if you're heavily invested in Kronos, it makes a lot of sense. Like, not financial advice, but like you want to be invested in the ecosystem. Like, so like ETH, I own Pepe, I own SHIB, I own Bobo, I own, Dogelon Mars. I own a lot of these Ethereum based cryptos along with Ethereum. Same thing with Solana. I own WIF, I own Ponky, I own Mumu, I own Zeus, which I talked about earlier, not a meme coin. So if you're heavily invested in the blockchain itself, you want to pick, like, personally, what I try to do is like 4 or 5 winners within that layer 1, you know what I mean? And get good sized positions. And then trade other stuff too. But I like call. When on Solana. I liked it for a while, but then it tanked. What's it doing? Still at 100 mil. Kind of want to see the weekly on it. It's not bad. I'm going to add that to the list. It's not a bad looking chart. It's in that sweet spot, that $100 million range. What's going on with SHIB? Trying to get an update. Been holding since 2021. In terms of what's going on, market is up. SHIB is up. That's really it, man. I mean, there's nothing earth-shattering happen like with news or anything like that. It's just strictly Ethereum's pumping. The largest ERC20 crypto is SHIBA INU. It should pump, and it finally is. I mean, really the last 3 days, a lot of it has come the last 3 days. Last 2. That would be interesting if they actually do that, Parabolic Paul. If they're actually planning on doing that, that would be a good idea. I'm never going to say never, but I don't think so. Not this cycle. I think Pepe will do really well, but I think SHIB will do really well too. But who knows? I mean, anything's possible. My man Mar was all over it. Roaring Kitty on Solana's pumping. That's the weekly. It's not terrible. It's bottomed out, but sitting on support, trying to break out. Name of the song. It's ES_ALMANDINE dash Bonsai. BONSAYE. It's just from like Epidemic Sounds, like royalty free music. I just like it though. Here from Peru. That's awesome. Aerodrome Finance. I like that. Biggest DEX on base. I do like Aero. $238 million market cap. It's been on the up and up for a little while too. This is the weekly. That's a good looking chart, man. Aerodrome Finance. The base chain. 20 million in volume. It's a lot of volume. I got FOMO. I own a little bit, but I should have got a bigger position in Aerodrome. I could have too. Less shit coining and more Aerodrome. That's all it would have taken. That's all it would have taken. Appreciate all the new subscribers, man. I see a bunch of new people coming in. Appreciate you guys finding us. It's totally free to hit the subscribe button on YouTube, guys. Just going to see my content more, and we do live streams, videos, all kind of stuff. So before I forget to plug it, before we wrap the stream, XT Algo, my trading indicator. If you're looking for one that is really solid, easy to use, 30-day money-back guarantee, 21% discount right now in the description. I walk you through how to use it, set up your own customized alerts. You could use it for crypto, stocks, Forex, trading gold. Check it out. Links down below. Chronos, man. Chronos. It is running. I want to look at Bobo. 101 mil. I want to look at it on the weekly. Yeah, I like that. We got a good size position in Bobo, man. I like this at 100 mil. This is my sweet spot, man. Bobo on ETH. Big following. Unbelievable community. See what happens. Ponky probably has one of the best looking charts in all of crypto on Solana. Look at that. This is for your squid grow bag. Don't sleep on it. Yeah, we brought it up earlier, man. Thanks for the super chat. We brought it up earlier on the charts. Somebody brought it up. Appreciate that, Andre. Thanks, man. SHIBA prediction, who knows? 100 billion is where I want it to get to for my profit taking strategy. Yeah, Brett's a good bet, I think, man. That and Bonk, okay. Yeah, Crypto Breakfast Club, man. If you guys haven't listened to this, we've been doing it for a long time, man. Follow me on X. It's linked down below if you guys are watching on YouTube. Link down below. Follow me on X. We'll be live tomorrow. I don't have the space created yet, but I will here soon. We'll be live tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Every single Monday through Friday. I like the $100 billion mark. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, man. All the Matt Fury characters will 10 to 100x. We'll see. You think all of them? We're going to be watching Elon, man. Dogelon Mars. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm going to jump. I'll be live tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. It's almost midnight. It is midnight, basically. It is midnight here, so I have a couple things I got to do, but we'll be live 9:30 tomorrow morning on the X space, guys. Crypto Breakfast Club. If you guys don't follow it yet, it's on my page. So follow me first if you don't, and then hop over here right in the description, Crypto Breakfast Club. See you guys live in the morning. Amazing times in the market. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already here on YouTube. Follow over on X. See you guys in the morning. Peace.